Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bricks from plastic waste at home. First, gather your plastic waste, ensuring it is clean and dry. Next, you will need to shred or cut the plastic into small, uniform pieces, ideally less than 1 inch in size. Then, we will discuss the safe melting process, aiming for a consistent, pliable consistency. Finally, we will explore pressing the melted plastic into a sturdy brick mold to create your eco-friendly building material. To begin, focus on collecting common plastic types such as high-density polyethylene, often found in milk jugs, and polyethylene terephthalate from soda bottles. Ensure all plastic is meticulously cleaned and completely dry to prevent issues during melting. Then, cut your plastic into small, uniform pieces, ideally around 1/4 to 1/2 inch in size. This preparation is crucial for achieving an even and efficient melting process, leading to stronger bricks. For melting, use a sturdy, heat-resistant container and a controlled heat source, like a hot plate or oven, maintaining a temperature around 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Stir the plastic continuously to ensure even melting and prevent scorching. Once the plastic is a thick, consistent, and pliable liquid, carefully pour it into your brick mold. Apply significant pressure to compact the plastic, removing any air pockets for a dense, strong brick. After molding, it is essential to allow your plastic bricks to cool and solidify completely. This curing process can take several hours, depending on the brick's thickness and ambient temperature. Once fully cooled, the bricks will be hard, durable, and ready for various applications. These eco-friendly bricks are excellent for non-load-bearing structures, garden borders, or creative DIY projects around your home, offering a sustainable building alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.